The moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. The 2025 Aprilia RS V4 is officially here, and it's set to redefine superbike performance. Packed with cutting-edge technology, unmatched aerodynamics, and jaw-dropping power, the new RS V4 is a game-changer for every adrenaline-seeking rider. Today, we'll take a deep dive into the highlights of this stunning machine. Stay tuned, because the 2025 RS V4 is ready to dominate the tracks and the streets. Design and aerodynamics. Aprilia has always been known for pushing the limits in design, and the 2025 RS V4 is no exception. This superbike features a sleek, aggressive profile with sharper body lines and improved aerodynamics. The winglets integrated into the fairing provide added stability at high speeds, enhancing downforce without sacrificing the RS V4's iconic look. The full LED lighting system and redesigned tail section add to its futuristic, race-inspired aesthetic. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Aprilia RS V4 is a revamped 1099cc V4 engine. Producing an astonishing 217 horsepower, this engine delivers a powerful yet refined ride that thrills on both the racetrack and the open road. The smooth power delivery and torque make it an absolute beast, capable of going from 0 to 60 in mere seconds. Whether you're hitting apexes on a track or cruising through twisty mountain roads, the RS V4's performance will leave you breathless. Advanced Electronics Suite. The 2025 Aprilia RS V4 is equipped with an advanced electronics package that elevates the riding experience to a whole new level. The updated APRC Aprilia Performance Ride Control System includes traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and multiple riding modes tailored to different conditions. The bike also features a new TFT display with improved readability, offering all vital information at a glance, including lap times and GPS connectivity. Handling and Aprilia has fine-tuned the handling on the 2025 RS V4 with Öhlins fully adjustable suspension, ensuring precision in every corner. The lightweight aluminum chassis has been optimized for better agility and stability, giving riders more confidence at extreme lean angles. The RS V4 is built to hug the road and deliver a responsive, exhilarating ride every time you twist the throttle. Braking system and safety features. Stopping power on the RS V4 is just as important as its acceleration, and Aprilia doesn't disappoint. The Brembo Stylema brakes provide superior stopping power with great feel, allowing you to brake later and harder. Dual-channel ABS with cornering functionality ensures maximum safety, especially during aggressive riding or emergency. The 2025 Aprilia RS V4 is the ultimate superbike, designed for those who demand top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and a race-bred experience. Whether you're a seasoned track rider or a motorcycle enthusiast, this bike will take your riding to new heights. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the 2025 RS V4? Thanks for watching, Be Pro Rider! If you're excited about the new Aprilia RS V4, drop a comment below and let us know what feature impressed you the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle news and reviews.